What up, what up? Welcome back to the Built by Rich YouTube channel. And today I just want to update you guys on what's going on with the Z. As many of you already know, I blew my motor, put a hole inside of the block, and it was a very sad day, but today is another day, and we got something big planned for the Z, and kind of want to let you guys know about that plan. So, first things first, like I said, the motor's toast, hole in the side of the block, hole in the old pan. Luckily, the head's still good. A lot of the other stuff are still good, so I can reuse a lot of the stuff. So, that's what I'm gonna do. And I guess it's time to let the cat out of the bag. I'm not the one that's gonna just try to keep it dangling in front of you guys and let you guys know. Um, what I'm gonna do here is I'm actually gonna go bigger. Like the sign says, go big. And what I'm gonna do is I am gonna go with a 427 cubic inch motor, which is basically a 7 liter. 7 liter. That's a lot. 7 liter of Merca, pure horsepower, torque. Whenever you need it, it's there. And on top of that, put a cherry on top, I'm gonna go ITBs, individual throttle bodies. So this thing is gonna not only perform really well, it's gonna sound really good. Can't wait. Um, I love the sound of inline sixes, but I'm really excited to hear what this ITB V8 power monster is gonna sound like. So excited for it. My bank account is not excited for it, but I'll deal with that later. Um, but yeah, I just want to let you guys know what I am planning to do with the car. For now, I'm on a waiting game. The ball is already rolling. The motor is already at the shop. Well, so basically what's gonna happen is what I was gonna do was originally I was going to just find another 6.2 and just swap out the motor, call it good, and be back on the road. But the problem is I couldn't find a short block. I would need to get a whole engine, and the cost of the entire engine just didn't make sense to me, considering what the cost is for a stroker motor. Um, is I mean, it's a few thousand more, but you're not getting a motor with 200,000 miles on it. You're basically getting a brand new motor. So it just made sense to me to go ahead and go bigger. So um, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Doing a 7 liter. Can't wait. And for now, I'm going to get the car ready. I need to pull the motor out. As you can see, I already started, got the head out and some of the accessories. I gotta pull the motor out, clean up the mess, and check, make sure the wires are still good because it did catch on fire. Fix any wires that needs to be fixed, clean up the engine bay, and I kind of want to make it a little bit more presentable. Uh, make it nice and neat because right now my wires are kind of all over the place. So make that a little nicer. It's gonna look so damn good with ITBs on it. So gotta make sure everything else looks good. So that's the plan with this. I need to get to work on it because time's ticking. I got what, 6 weeks before JCCS, and I'm hoping to make that. That's the plan. Right now I'm in a waiting game. I'm waiting for the motor to get done. The motor is getting built at HPS in Ontario, and my ITB is coming all the way from Australia. So waiting game, but gotta keep progressing. Pull the engine out, clean up everything, and just make sure everything is ready to go before JCCS, as well as Weekfest. But for now, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll probably sprinkle in some clips of me working on this. But very excited, very excited for what's to come. All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like the videos, cause just gives me some motivation to keep it moving. So, and don't forget to comment too, cause I read each one of those, and it really helps. Uh, Especially if you guys got some tips for me that I don't know about. I'm just doing this in a garage, and anything helps. So, all right, guys. I'll catch you guys next time. Deuce.